Good morning students. Welcome back to Maths Online class. I am very glad to meet you after few days. Today we are going to see the continuation of the first chapter, Set Language. Dear children, take your first chapter note and write it down. Now you see, last class we learned the formulas, isn't it? Shall we recall the formulas? If A and B are the two finite sets, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay. Then suppose n of A minus B, that means only A. Only A means this formula I should use. Okay. Then only B, that means n of B minus A is equal to n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay. N of A dash is equal to n of universal set minus n of A. Okay. Suppose n of A intersection B. A intersection B, both A and B. If you want to find out means then this formula we have to use. Okay. Then n of universal set is equal to n of A plus n of A dash. Okay. If A and B are the two disjoint set. Disjoint means A intersection B is equal to 0 means that is disjoint, isn't it? N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. Then here n of A intersection B is 0, isn't it? So your formula is n of A plus n of B. Okay. Then n of B dash is equal to n of U minus n of B. Okay. So, suppose if A and B and C are three finite sets. Three sets means whatever which is the formula n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. In last class, two sums I gave homework, isn't it? That one, third sum, exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6, third sum. Okay. Take your homework and check these answers. Here A is given, B is given, C is given, and then you should find out, verify n of A union B union C is equal to this one. Left hand side first one by one we have to find n of A, find n of B, find n of C, then n of A intersection B, n of B intersection C, find out. Okay. Then afterwards the left hand side and 6 you got the answer. Isn't it? Is it correct? Check your answers. Then like that, right hand side also. Right hand side fully you should write it. Then all values substitute here. Here also 6 you got. Okay. From 1 and 2, these two are equal. Okay. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then hence verify. Okay. Did you get the answer? Next. Take fourth sum. In a class, all students take part in either music or drama or both. 25 take part in music, 13 students take part in drama, and 8 students take part in both music and drama. Find 3 questions, 3 subdivision here given. Okay. Take the fourth question and check the answers. Okay. Then here music, capital M, then drama, capital D, you should take it. Okay. And then 2 sets, music and drama. Okay. Here n of M is given. Okay. N of M is given 25. N of D also given, that is 30. Both common also given 8. From there we have to subtract 25 minus this, only music means then 25 minus this 8. Okay. Only drama means then 30 minus this 8 equal to 22, isn't it? From the Venn diagram, our first question answer is number of students who take part in only music, that is 17. Then number of students who take part in only drama, that is 22. Okay. The total number of students in a class. Total number of means that is fully you should add it. 17 plus 8 plus 22. 47 is the answer. Did you get the answer? Now we are going to see example 1.31. In a pot of 60 people, 35 had vanilla ice cream. 30 had chocolate ice cream. All the people had at least one ice cream. Then how many of them had, first subdivision, both vanilla and chocolate ice cream. Second one, only vanilla ice cream. Then third one, only chocolate ice cream. Everyone like very much is ice cream, isn't it? Here, what are the ice creams? Which one given? Vanilla ice cream and chocolate ice cream, isn't it? So, how we can take this one? Vanilla means then we have to take capital V. Then chocolate means capital C we have to take, isn't it? Then solution, let we have to take, let V be the set of people who had vanilla ice cream. Then and C be the set of all people who had chocolate ice cream, isn't it? So here vanilla ice cream first set, then second you have to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, Venn diagram. Here total not given, so this rectangle box no need. Okay, here what is given? Vanilla ice cream. Number of people use. Okay, 35 had vanilla ice cream. Okay, then how many of them using? 35 had vanilla ice cream. That means here n of v is equal to 35. Then n of c also given, isn't it? N of c is equal to, what is given? N of c is 30 is given. Number of people using what? Chocolate ice cream, that is 30. Then n of, again what is, all the three had at least one ice cream. Okay, that means here at least one, here in a party 60 people are there. Total number of people 60, isn't it? That means here n of V union C is equal to 60. Have you understood? Then here what is given? Shall we write here vanilla ice cream? How many of them using? 35. Okay. Then chocolate ice cream, how many of them using? 30. Okay. Here n of V union C. V union C is equal to what? 60 is given, isn't it? Here this middle chocolate, vanilla ice cream and chocolate, both also how many of them using? We don't know. That place we have to take what? X. Okay. So let you have to take, let X be the number of people who had both ice cream. Okay. Then from the Venn diagram, what we can write? From the Venn diagram, here only vanilla ice cream. How we can find? Then only vanilla means then here both x, isn't it? From here we have to subtract x. 35 minus x. Okay. Then only chocolate. How we can find? The 30 minus x. Understood? Then from the Venn diagram, have to find out the x value. Okay, from the Venn diagram, We can find what? Here together what is given? 60, isn't it? 35 this vanilla, then at least here what is given? At least one ice cream. Then here all the people had at least one ice cream. Then here n of B union C what is given? 60 is given, isn't it? This one together how many? 60 is given, isn't it? That means how we can write this 35 minus x, this one plus this x plus 30 minus x is equal to what is given? Is equal to how many people? 60 people, isn't it? Then 60. Okay. Then shall we cancel this minus x plus x is what? 0, isn't it? Then these two we can cancel. Understood? Then afterwards here 35 plus 30 is what? 65 minus x is equal to what? 60. Then minus x is equal to minus x is equal to 60. This 65, shall we bring this sign? Right hand sign? Okay. Then sign it will change, isn't it? Here plus means sign it will change. Here minus it will come. Then 65. Then equal to what? 60 minus 65 is minus 5. Okay. Minus x is equal to minus 5. So minus minus we can cancel. Then we will get what? X equal to 5. Okay, x equal to 5. Our first question answer, you see subdivision 1, both vanilla and chocolate ice cream. How many of them had both vanilla and chocolate ice cream? Okay, so number of people who had both ice cream, that is x, isn't it? X, how many of them? 5 of them. Okay, then second one, second question answer is number of people who had both ice cream is 5. Okay, then second one is only vanilla ice cream, only vanilla ice cream. The number of people, second one. Okay, number of people who had only vanilla ice cream, only vanilla ice cream is what? 35 minus x, isn't it? That means we have to write here 35 minus x, then equal to here 35 minus x, x place have to write what? 5, isn't it? Then equal to 35 minus 5 is what? 30. Have you understood? Then 35 minus 5 is 30. The number of people who had only vanilla ice cream is how much? Then 30. Okay. The third question is only chocolate ice cream. Only chocolate ice cream. Then third one, number of people who had only chocolate ice cream is only chocolate means here 30 minus 5, isn't it? 30 minus 5. That means here we have to write what? 30 minus x. Then equal to 30 minus x is 5, isn't it? X value substitute here. Then equal to 30 minus 5 is 25. Have you understood? Next, example 1.32. In a college, 240 students play cricket, 180 students play football, 164 students play hockey, 42 play both cricket and football, 38 play both football and hockey, 40 play both cricket and hockey, and 16 play all the three games. In each students participate in at least one game. Then find, first question is the number of students in a college. Then second one, the number of students who play only one game. Okay. Then Here we have to take, in a college 240 students play cricket, isn't it? Cricket we have to take what? Capital C. Then football means capital F we have to take. Then hockey means heights. Okay. So we have to take, let C, comma F and heights represent set of students who play cricket, football and hockey respectively. Okay. Then the first set is here, how many of them playing what? Cricket, isn't it? That cricket means then first set C we have to take. Then football F we have to take. Okay. Then third set is what? Heights. Okay. Then cricket, football and hockey. Then here what is given? 240 students what? Play cricket. 240 students play cricket, isn't it? So we have to take, first we have to mention here number of students play cricket. How many of them? 240 equal to 240. Okay. Then N of F. N of F is equal to. Then N of what? Heights also we have to find. Okay. First we have to find, then N of F 180. Then N of heights is what? Play hockey. 164 students play hockey. 164. Okay. Then afterwards here again what is given? 42 play both cricket and football. Cricket and football. 42, isn't it? Then N of cricket and means intersection and football is equal to how many of them? 42, isn't it? 42. Then N of, next one, N of F intersection heights maybe. Then 38 play both football and hockey. Football and hockey. Then that means F intersection heights is equal to what? 38. Then next one, N of here hockey, cricket and hockey. 40 play both cricket and hockey. That means here C intersection heights is equal to what? 40. Again what is given? N of hockey 40, then added here 40 play both cricket and hockey and 16 play all the three games. 16 play all the three games. That means here N of C intersection F intersection height is equal to what is given? 16. Okay. Then from Venn diagram you have to write what? Then let us represent the given data in the Venn diagram. Okay. Then we have to represent here. Here N of C. N of C what is given? 240. We have to mark here 240. Okay. Then next again what is N of F what is given? 180. You have to write there. Then next again what is given? N of heights. N of heights is 164. 164. 3. And then all the three what? 16. Isn't it? So this area it will come 16. Okay. Cricket, football and hockey. Then 16 of them playing. Okay. Play 16. Okay. Then C intersection F. That means what? Cricket and football. How many of them play? Then 42. Very good. 42. Then cricket and football. Cricket and football. How many of them played? 42. Isn't it? And then football and hockey. How many of them? 38. Football and hockey. Then 38 of them. Then cricket and hockey, how many of them? 40. That one we have to write here. Okay. Then here cricket and football, only cricket and football. How we can find? Here minus 16. Okay. Then all the three we have to subtract. Okay. All the three game we have to subtract. Okay. Then 42 minus 16. Borrow from here 1. Then 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Then here 3 balance. What 3 minus 1 is 2. 26. Okay. Then like that football and hockey also we have to find. Okay. From here we have to subtract. Okay. We have to subtract what? 16. 16 we have to subtract. That means 2. Then 3 minus 1 is here what? 2. Okay. 22. Okay. This one we have to round. Otherwise you will confuse. Here 26. Okay. Then next here cricket and hockey. Cricket and hockey. Here total what is given? 40. Isn't it? From here only cricket and hockey. How we can find? Then 40 minus 16. 40 minus 16 is 40 minus 16 is equal to 40 minus 16 is what? 24 we will get. Okay, subtract means then we will get what? 24. Okay, then only cricket how we can find? Okay, here only cricket how we can find? Then only cricket means then total here 240, isn't it? How many of them played? 240. Then only cricket how many of them played? How we can find? From this 240, then we have to subtract this 3. Okay, already we rounded now this values we have to subtract. Okay, then minus of 26 plus this 16 plus what? 24. Okay, these 3 values we have to add. Then 240 minus, then 3 numbers we have to add means then we will get what? 66. Okay, from here we have to subtract 240 minus 66 we have to subtract. Okay, 240 minus 66. Then we will get what? Here 4. Then one balance here. What we will get? 7. Here 1. Isn't it? Here 3, then 1, okay, 174, 174, okay, only cricket how many of them? 174, like that only football also we have to find, okay, then this one also we have to put the balls, then only football, how we can find? Say, then 180 minus of, and this 3 we have to subtract, isn't it? And this 3 have to add and subtract. 26 plus 16 plus 22 and equal to 180 minus this 3 add means then we will get what? Here 64 we will get. Okay, 180 minus 64 is what? 116. 116. Have you understood? Only football, how many of them? 116. Okay. Then like that, only hockey also we have to find. Okay, only hockey. Then that means then 164. From here we have to subtract this 3. Okay, this 3 we have to subtract. And then 24 plus 16 plus 22. Okay, then equal to 164 minus this 3 add means then we will get what? 1 here 62 we will get. Okay, then equal to 164 minus 62 is 102. Have you understood? Then our first question is the number of students in the college. Then find the number of students in the college. Okay. Then now number of students, number 1, the number of students in the college is equal to, then all the numbers, all the rounded values we have to add. Then we will get the answers. Okay. Then here 174 plus the number of students, total number of students. Okay. Then 26 plus this 116 plus 24 plus 16 plus 22 plus 102. Okay, this all values we have to add, and then we will get what here 2, 4, 10, 14, then 20, 26, 30, isn't it? Then 0 we will get. Then 3 balance, 5, 6, 8, odd 8, 9, 11, then 8, isn't it? 11, 18, 1 balance, isn't it? Then afterwards, then 2, 3, 4, 480. 480 students. Okay, the number of students in the college is 480. Our second question is the number of students who play only one game. Only one game, how many of them play? Okay, only one. How many of them play is same? 174. Then 116. Okay, then afterwards 102. Okay, very good. Then 174 plus 116 plus 102. Okay. Then this 3, if you add means then we will get what? Here 10, 2, 12, then 1 balance, then 2, 9, 1 balance, 9, isn't it? Then 3, 392 is the answer. Okay, the number of students who play only one game. Only one game, how many of them? 392. Have you understood? Next example sum is example 1.33. In a residential area with 600 families, 3 by 5th want scooter, 1 by 3rd want car, 1 by 4th want bicycle, then 120 families want scooter and car, then 86 want car and bicycle, while 90 families want scooter and bicycle. If 2 by 15 of families want all the 3 types of vehicles, then find first subdivision the number of families want at least 2 types of vehicle. Second one, the number of families want no vehicle. Okay, like this one question is given. In a residential here, what's the difference here? 3 by 5th of want scooter. Okay, here total number of families is 600. Out of 600, how many of them? 3 by 5th of them using what? Scooter, isn't it? Here fraction form is given. What's the difference? The fraction form is given, number of not given. So first we have to find number of families. Okay, here what is given? Then 600 families. So total number of families 600. So we have to draw the rectangle box, universal set need. Okay, so first here solution, let S means scooter, then car, bicycle, B, capital B, represent set of all families who want scooter, car and bicycle respectively. Okay, then scooter means here we have to take S, then C, car means C, then bicycle B we have to take. Okay, then here total number of families 600 is given, so we have to write this is the universal set, 600 also given. Okay, what is given? First we have to write. Okay, given n of universal set is equal to what? 600 is given. Okay, then afterwards n of S also given. S what is given? The fraction form is given, 3 by 5 of which one? 600. Okay, the number of, how many of them using scooter? The number of families using scooter is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 of which one? 600. Okay. Shall we cancel this one? 1, 5 is 5. Here 1 and then 2, 0. Isn't it? Then equal to 360. 360. Like that number of we have to find. Okay. How many part only given? We have to one by one we have to find. Okay. Then n of c. How many of them using? And then car. That means 1 by 3. Then 1 by 3 of which one? 600 out of 600. Then 1 3 is 3. Here 2 0 0. Then equal to 1 into 200 is what? 200. Then n of b. N of b what is given? 1 by 4. 1 by 4th of which one? 600. Then equal to, and then how we can cancel this one? 1 4 is 4 here. 1 4 is 4. Then here 5 0, isn't it? Then cancel 150 we will get. Okay. Then again what is given? How many of them using scooter and car? Okay. Then 120 families want scooter and car. 86 want car and bicycle. That means everything here given, isn't it? Then n of S intersection C also given 120. Okay. Then n of C intersection car and bicycle, how many of them using? 86 of them. Okay. Then number of people using scooter and bicycle. Then how many of them? 90 of them using. Okay. Then again what is given? Again all the three give 2 by 15 of families want all the 3 types of vehicle. All the 3 types of vehicle. How many of them using? And then n of S intersection C intersection B is equal to what is given here? Then 2 by 15 of 2 by 15 of which one? 600, isn't it? Then fifth table shall we cancel? Here 3 it will come. Here 1 1, then 2 0, then 1 3 is 3. How many times? 4 times, isn't it? 4, then 0. 2 into 4 is 80. Okay, 2 into 4 is what? 80. Okay, from the Venn diagram, then we have to write what? Here n of s is we know, isn't it? 360. 360. N of c also we have to mark here 200. Then n of b is 150. Then n of s intersection c, that means 120. And then n of b c intersection b is 86. And then s intersection d is 90. Then here all the 3 what? 80, isn't it? From here all the 3 vehicle, how many of them using? 80, isn't it? The only scooter and car, how many of them using? How we can find this 3? We have to subtract. Okay, then subtract. Then we will get what? Here 40. Okay, 40 we will get. Only scooter and car, how many of them using? 40. Okay. Then here only scooter and bicycle, how many of them using? 90 minus this 80. Then equal to 10. Then like that car and bicycle, how many of them using? Minus 80. Then equal to what? 6, isn't it? 6. Understood? Then this one 80. All the values we have to round. Then like that here only scooter. Only scooter, how we can find? From here we have to subtract what? 40. 40, 80, this 10 we have to subtract, isn't it? 40 plus 80 plus what is 10. We have to subtract. Subtract means what we will get? Then equal to 360 minus this all 3 add means then we will get it 130. Then equal to, then subtract here 0, 3, 2, isn't it? 230. Okay, like that here also. Okay, minus of, then this 40, 80, 6. We have to add and subtract. Then 40 plus 80 plus what 6 then equal to 200 minus this 3 add means then what we will get 126 then equal to 70. Here we have to subtract 74, isn't it? 74. Also put the bars. Okay, then next one only bicycle. How many of them? Then this 10, 80, 10 plus 80 plus 6. We have to subtract. Equal to 150 minus this one subtract means what we will get? 96. Equal to this to subtract. Subtract means 54 we will get. Okay, 54 we will get. Here this one scooter how many of them using? 360. Then here car how many of them using? 200. Have to write bicycle 150. Okay. Then from our question we can write what? First one, the number of families. Find the number of families own at least 2 types. At least. Okay, at least 2 types of vehicle. Okay, at least 2 types of vehicle means then we have to write what? 2 types means this 46 and 10 we can add, isn't it? But here at least means then minimum what? 2 types. Then 3 also we can take, isn't it? No, at least. What then 3 also we can take. That means here 40 then this 6 plus 10 then this 80 also we have to add at least. Okay, our question is at least, so we have to add then at 3 also. 3 vehicle how many of them using, that one also we have to add here. Okay, then equal to this 3 add means then we will get what? 136. Okay, then second question is the number of families own no vehicle. Okay, the number of families own no vehicle means then total number of families. From here we have to subtract own at least 1 vehicle. How many of them using? At least 1 vehicle we have to subtract. Okay, then here total 600 families. From here we have to subtract this fully. Okay, this one we have to subtract. That means 600 minus own at least 1 vehicle. At least 1 vehicle means 1 vehicle. Then 2 vehicle how many of them using? 3 vehicle how many of them using? 3 also we have to add. Okay, then here 600 minus then 1 by 1 say 230 plus 40 plus what? 75 no, 74, isn't it? 74 then this 10 80 plus 6 plus this 54. Okay, then equal to 600 minus of this one we have to add. Okay, 240 this one add means then we will get the answer 494. Okay, 494 we will get. Then this 2 subtract means then 600 minus 494. Then subtract, here 6 it will come, then 0, here 9 it will come, isn't it? From here borrow 5, then here also 9, here 10, 0, then 1, 106, isn't it? Then here 106 is the answer. Okay, number of families own no vehicle. How many of them did not use the vehicle? Okay, that is how many of them? 106 families. Okay, have you understood? One question I am giving homework for you. Okay, that is homework. Exercise 1.6, ninth sum. This is same as then example 1.32 model. Okay, same as then example 1.32. Then try to do your homework. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can call me in the doubt clearing session. Okay, thank you students. Have a nice day.